Your desire for the other room has reduced. Your excitement to meet up with your partner is low. I've got something for you in this video. In this video, I'm going to be telling you fruits that can actually help you to increase your libido. This is not limited to man or woman. This is for both gender. So let's get straight into the video. The first on my list is watermelon. Some people even call it natural Viagra. This watermelon contains something known as L-citrazine. This amino acid has something called nitric oxide in it. Because of this nitric oxide level, it helps your blood vessels to relax and make blood to flow easily and freely in them. And when there's proper flow of blood, adequate and free flow of blood to your genitals, it will increase your desire, your pleasure. Proper flow of blood to your genitals is highly important, and this is because when there is no proper flow of blood to your genitals, it can actually affect your erection and also your arousal. So that is why it is important. Get yourself a bowl of watermelon today and thank me later. The second on my list is banana. Banana is another important fruit you should consume, and this is because it contains vitamin B6 and potassium. The vitamin B6 in banana will actually help you to boost your energy and help you to regulate your mood. So all this pepper body will reduce, and then you relax and accept the gift of life. Anyways, the potassium in banana actually help you to regulate your blood pressure. What can you do without your heart? Absolutely nothing. Your heart is responsible for pumping of blood, and that is why it is important for you to regulate your blood pressure. Don't let it be too high, and it should not be too low as well. It should be within normal level. Banana also helps to increase testosterone. Testosterone is important, and this is because it helps to boost libido, especially in men. The third on my list is avocado. This is one of my favorites, and this is because it contains healthy fats. Yes, most food we eat today, most food we consume contain fats that can actually harm our body, but avocado contain healthy fats. Avocado contain vitamin E, which can actually help to protect the sperm cells membrane. It also contains potassium, which will help to boost your energy and in return boost your libido. This is not just for men, this is also for women as well. It also contains fibers, which can actually help to maintain your weight. Yes, a lot of people today have weight, especially in the belly area, and when you have all of this, it can actually affect the appearance of your genitals, especially in men. If you have not seen one of my videos where I talk about things that affect the size of the penis, please go through the page, you'll see it there. It is one of those things that can affect the appearance of your genitals. The vitamin B6 in avocado actually help you to increase your wetness. So ladies, men, please get yourself avocado today. Another fruit that can help to improve your sexual function is pineapple. Now, pineapple contains vitamin C, and this actually helps in blood flow. When you consume pineapple, it can also help to enhance your body smell. It is not like you are smelling like fish, you are smelling like palm oil or whatever. When it enhances your body smell, of course it will make your partner to be more attracted to you. The next on my list is beets. Beets is one of those fruits that is highly essential when you want to improve your sexual function or your sexual life. This fruit actually helps to improve blood flow in your body. It contains something known as nitrates, and this nitrate is being converted to nitric oxide, and we know what this does in our body. This actually helps the blood vessels to relax, for blood to flow freely in them. When there is proper flow of blood to your genitals, it makes it easier for you to get into the mood. This is because it is easier for your man to get erected, and it is easier for you to get aroused as well. So this is why blood flow is essential. However, if you have kidney stones, or you have been told that you have kidney stone, please reduce the amount of beet fruit you eat, or please speak to your doctor before you consume it in excess. This is because this can actually worsen your condition. So please be cautious of the amount of beet fruit you eat if you have kidney stone. The next fruit is pomegranate. Pomegranate can actually help men to improve their erection and also help women to improve their pleasure responsiveness, and this is because it contains something known as antioxidants. This can also help the blood flow to flow easily as well. It also contains nitrates, and we all know how important nitrate is. These are the things that help blood to flow into our genitals easily and freely. You can either eat this as a fruit, or it also comes as a juice as well. The pomegranate juice actually help you to boost nitric oxide in the body. Strawberries, they contain vitamin C, they have antioxidants in them. The vitamin C in strawberry can actually help to increase sperm count in men. Other types of berries like blueberries, like blackberries, they also contain vitamin C and also contain antioxidants as well. And all of these actually help to improve blood flow, and when there is proper blood flow, like I said, it actually helps to improve your libido. Another fruit is grapes. This one right here, I love it so much. I can't go a week without having grapes. Grapes contain antioxidants. This helps to promote blood flow, and trust me, when you have proper blood flow to your genitals, your libido is going to increase. You're going to better your intimate game, your intimate responsiveness. You're going to better it, and this is because there is proper blood flow to your genitals. Another one is apple. Apple can actually increase your stamina in the other room, and this is because it contains high amount of quercetin. This quercetin is an antioxidant flavonoid that can help to improve endurance during intimacy, during intercourse, when you are in the other room. This can actually help men to last longer in bed. So get yourself an apple today. Apple can actually help you to increase blood circulation as well. It is not just about the stamina, but also your blood circulation. Which of these fruits is your favorite? Which of them do you love to eat? Or which one are you going to give a trial today? Kindly leave your comment in the comment section. I'd like to read from you. And while you are there, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos. And please share this video to your friends, family, neighbors, and lovers. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Also, I'll link some other videos in the description box. Kindly watch them when you're done with this video. Subscribe if you have not. Bye.